Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to speak to an agent on Vueling Airlines. Okay, so whether it's about a booking, baggage, or any other concern, I'm going to walk you through how you can connect with a live agent. Now, the first step is to call Vueling's customer service. I'm going to walk you through the numbers. So you can dial the appropriate number based on your location. For Spain, it is 900-645-000 or 931-225-400. Let me go over that again. For Spain, 900-645-000 or 931-225-400. For United Kingdom, it is 020-3514-3971. For United States, it is +1 202 695 8708. For the rest of the world, it is +34 931 518 158. Lines are open 24/7, but personalized service is available from Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Spanish time. Step 2, you can navigate to the automated system. Once connected, put in press 1 for English, flex 6 for other queries. When prompted, say urgent question, press 1. To reference an existing booking, press 1. For information about your booking, when asked for your booking reference, stay silent, and this will route you to a live agent. This method has been effective for many travelers seeking direct assistance. Step 3, you can use Vueling's live chat. So if you prefer typing over talking, here's how you can type, or here's how you can chat with a live chat agent. So once you're on your Vueling page, you can just go ahead and click on this access button that is at the bottom right corner and type your query. Type your query in the communication box, or just type live agent to connect with a representative. Now, live chat is available during the same hours as personalized phone service. Step 4, you can send an email for non-urgent matters. You can email contact@vueling.com. Responses may take 12 to 48 hours. You can also reach out via social media. Vueling's active on Facebook, X, and Instagram. So send a direct message and typically respond within a few hours. Now, connecting to the live agent of Vueling Airlines is straightforward when you know the steps. So whether by chat, by phone, by email, social media, help is just a few clicks or a call away. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.